Every Easter, billions of chocolate eggs fill store shelves, waiting to be cracked open. But have you ever wondered how these perfectly crafted treats are made? Behind every chocolate egg is an incredible journey, spanning continents, ancient traditions, and cutting-edge chocolate factories. Let's dive in. The history of chocolate eggs. Before chocolate eggs became an Easter staple, real eggs were painted and gifted as a symbol of new life. But in the 19th century, European chocolatiers transformed this tradition into something sweeter. Hollow chocolate eggs filled with surprises. Today, they're a global sensation. The journey of cocoa. Chocolate starts in tropical farms where cocoa pods ripen under the sun. Unlike most crops, harvesting isn't automated. Each pod is carefully cut by hand to prevent damaging the trees. Inside, the beans are coated in a white pulp that tastes surprisingly like lychee. But before they can become chocolate, cocoa beans need fermentation. This process removes bitterness and develops the deep, rich flavor we associate with chocolate. After drying, the beans travel across the world to chocolate factories, where the magic really begins. Turning cocoa into chocolate. At the factory, the first stop is cleaning. High-powered air jets remove dust and husks, ensuring only the best cocoa makes the cut. Next up, roasting. Higher temperatures create bold, deep flavors, while lower temperatures preserve fruity notes. Think of it like coffee roasting. Then the beans are ground into a thick paste, releasing cocoa butter, the secret behind chocolate's smooth, melt-in-your-mouth texture. The role of milk and sugar. But cocoa alone isn't enough. Sugar balances bitterness, while milk powder, made using high-tech spray drying, adds a creamy texture. Without these, milk chocolate wouldn't exist. Together, these ingredients are blended, refined, and smoothed to a microscopic level, 100 times smaller than a grain of sand, to ensure a silky texture. Tempering and molding chocolate eggs. But here's the final trick: tempering. Chocolate is cycled through controlled temperatures to stabilize its structure. Skip this step and it'll look dull and crumbly. Done right, you get that glossy, satisfying snap. Egg-shaped molds are coated with chocolate and spun to ensure an even shell, thick enough to hold its shape, but thin enough to crack open with ease. Filling, sealing, and packaging. Some eggs stay hollow, while others are filled with caramel, praline, or even tiny toys. Precision robots place these surprises inside before sealing the two halves together with a touch of heat. Next, they're wrapped in foil, not just for looks, but to protect them from moisture and keep them fresh. Without this, chocolate could develop a white bloom, still edible, but not as appealing. Final quality checks ensure that every egg is perfectly molded, sealed, and packaged before they head to stores worldwide. Final thoughts in CTA. From cocoa farms to high-tech chocolate factories, every Easter egg is the result of craftsmanship, science, and tradition. So next time you crack one open, take a moment to appreciate its journey. Enjoyed this behind-the-scenes look? Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more fascinating food factory tours. See you next time.